Shop smarter with brainybuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. Hey, so I'm looking at two De'Longhi Espresso Machines, both renewed, the Magnifica Evo B0CVR2PSZ4, and the ECAM22110B-X, What's the deal?
Alright, so both are super-automatic bean-to-cup machines, which is cool. The Evo is newer, released in February 2024, while the ECAM22110B has been around since 2016.
Okay, so the Evo is the more modern one. Does that mean better features?
Definitely some upgrades. The Evo boasts a color touch display and 6 one-touch recipes with color icons, including iced coffee, which is a plus. The older model doesn't have a fancy display or the iced coffee option.
I do like iced coffee. What about the grinder?
Both have built-in conical burr grinders, but the Evo specifies 13 grind settings. The older one doesn't mention a specific number, so probably fewer options.
More grind settings are nice. How about milk frothing?
Both have traditional milk frothers, so you can manually create your foam for cappuccinos and lattes, which is pretty standard.
Gotcha. What are the main differences in terms of convenience?
The Evo highlights removable and dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleaning. The older model mentions easy cleaning, but doesn't specifically say dishwasher-safe. Also, the Evo is slightly bigger, dimensions-wise, and remember that the older machine is currently unavailable. Right.
Good point. Dimensions matter in my tiny kitchen. Is there a big difference in water tank size?
The ECAM22110B has a 60-ounce water tank. The Evo doesn't explicitly state the water tank size.
Okay, so the ECAM22110B is a bit more compact, and we know the water tank size, but the Evo seems to have a more modern interface and more grind settings. It really depends on whether I prioritize the iced coffee and the newer features over size and availability, and a known water tank size.
Exactly. And both are renewed, so remember to check the seller's rating and return policy before you commit to buying either of them.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.